Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the cscart LLMs TXT generator. It allows store owners to create an LLMs.txt file for AI systems like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's start this video with the module configuration. Click on the module and go to the Settings section. There are three sections here. The first one is Select Entity Types. In this section, you have to select the type of data you want to generate the file for, such as products, categories, or CMS pages. I am selecting products. In the Company Information section, provide the company name, company description, and any additional information about the company. In the last section, Frequency of File Generation, there are three options: daily, weekly, or monthly. I am choosing daily. In the Start Time section, you need to select the time when you want the file to be generated. Now I'm selecting 4 hours and 14 minutes because the current time is 4 hours and 13 minutes. After that, click on the Save button. Now wait for the schedule time to complete. It's 4:13 now. The file will be generated after 14 minutes. Once the time has passed, it's now 4:15, so let's refresh the page and click on this link. This file includes all the information about the products. That's all about this add-on. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.